Hello, my name is Jordan Barnes and welcome to my instructional video of making use of outputs. Today we'll be using a Grove Pi board and multiple LEDs to recreate a simulation of some traffic lights. Firstly though, we must ask ourselves, what is an output? An output device is a place where power information leaves a system. In our case, it's going to be an LED Sentry module. An LED module, like the one shown in the image, is simply a little light-emitting diode that produces light when told to. So first of all, assuming that we've got the Grove Pi installed, we must install 3 LEDs to the D2, D3 and D4 ports, as shown below. These 3 LED lights will simulate our traffic light system. Unfortunately, I didn't have an amber light, so instead we're just going to use a blue light and simulate it the same way. For us to correctly simulate a traffic light system, we need to develop some code. So, let's have a look at the Java code I've developed to make this system work. Here we have a small program that simulates a traffic light system. I will go through step by step each line of code so you fully understand what it does. So what we'll do, we'll start off with the imports. We have 4 imports for this program: the actual Grove Pi board, the pin, sensor modules and LED modules. Now we'll have a look at the main body of the code. First of all, I created a class called out. In here we'll house my main method that will house most of the main code for simulating the traffic lights. Next, we made a main method, an instance of Grove Pi, and 3 instances of LEDs connected to pins 2, 3 and 4 on the Grove Pi. The next step is the main logic of the program. We set the state of an LED to either true or false for either the light being on or off. So at this point, we are turning the red light on and displaying in the terminal saying stop. At the next stage, we then wait for 5 seconds using the thread.sleep, and then we set the state of the blue light to be true, so it simulates a red and amber light being on at the same time. The reason why we would have the red and amber, in our case blue light, on at the same time is to simulate to traffic that the lights are about to change to green, preparing the traffic to go. At the final stage, we need to set the blue and the red light to false and then the green light to true to simulate that the green light is green for go and the traffic can move as well. Finally, we then wait another 5 seconds before moving back to the beginning of our code to then start the system again by setting the red light to be true. Now it's red and blue prepared to travel, and then it's hit green. And then back to red again. To summarize, we have used the Grove Pi board plus 3 LEDs to correctly simulate a traffic light system. Thank you very much for watching my instructional video of how to create a traffic light system making effective use of outputs on a Grove Pi board linked to a Raspberry Pi.